Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today, I bring to you guys the Pixel 3a, one of the best-selling Pixel devices that was ever sold by Google. This device actually outsold the Pixel 3a, and while a lot of people slept on this device when they first heard rumors of it, because of the fact that it had what they considered shortcomings, those shortcomings actually weren't shortcomings at all. There may be one caveat to it, but I'll get to that later on in this video. Spec-wise for this device was running a Snapdragon 670. That's the processing chip that it had. It had 4 gigabytes of LPDDR4 RAM. It only came in a 64 gigabyte variant, and it had a 3000 milliamp hour battery with 18 watt fast charging. Screen size was 5.6 inch display, and it started off on Android Pie, but is currently on Android 10. Now, if you were to pick up this device, holding it in your hand, you would not think it's polycarbonate plastic. Google did a fantastic job making this device feel premium, even though it's not. This is Google's mid-ranger, and it's crazy because it outsold its flagship, the Pixel 3. So by holding this in your hand, I guarantee you guys would trip out on just how well it feels in your hand. But that's just only feeling. How does this device perform? And I'll tell you guys that this device performs pretty good for just a Snapdragon 670 compared to the Pixel 3. As a matter of fact, in my earlier videos last year, I said that I was amazed at the Pixel 3a and how well it almost felt buttery smooth like the Pixel 3, and it still does today. It still does a fantastic job with everything that I throw at it: social media, music playing, video playing, all that good stuff. Yes, it does lack certain things like wireless charging and water resistance, okay? So you don't want to dunk this thing in water. You definitely don't want to get it splashed on or whatever. But with those things coming out, you do get a headphone jack to plug in your headphones to listen to music. So you're not dependent on Bluetooth and becoming fully wireless. On top of that, this actually has DS support, so that's dual SIM, dual standby. So you can have 2 SIMs in this device and run them both at the same time. And that's pretty awesome, as the Pixel 3 lacked that. The Pixel 3 only had DSSS. Now, there's only one caveat that I mentioned, and that is the fact that the Pixels are known for camera and photo taking, and the Pixel 3a lacks the processing chip specifically dedicated to image processing that the Pixel 3 has. But you only feel maybe a few seconds of delay in image processing, but other than that, it still processes photos pretty good and has all the goodness, such as night sight and various other modes like portrait, look really absolutely good with the Pixel 3a with a single camera sensor on the back. So anyways, guys, that's just my update thoughts on the Pixel 3a. Let me know what you guys think by leaving a comment in the comment section of the video. If you found my channel and just subscribe, thank you for doing so. I really appreciate that. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload videos in the future. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. That lets me know. But other than that, guys, thanks for checking out my video on the Pixel 3a in 2020. And as always, aloha.